Rocky, you come sit over here.
This is Bear Murray, the famous fruit-eating dog.
Eating autumn olive
These are
fruit.
autumn olive fruits. He's going to be spreading invasive species all over the place now. He loves them. Hey, Mikey.
It's like candy.
That's like candy. Look at that. God, he's going to have diarrhea now. Bear, did you like that? Was that good? Good boy. Bear, speak. Rocky, speak. You don't like those fruits, do you? No. Speak. Rocky, speak. Bear, speak.
He does little speaks because he knows he gets rewarded.
Okay. Good dog.
So the title needs to be something like Dog Eats Autumn Olive.